Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope you'll be fine. I'm here with new Oxford Modern English book 5, a poem Break 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 by Alfred Lord Tennyson. Today I'm going to share with you the words meaning that are given in the box over here, and inshallah in the next video we are going to share the explanation and question and answers of this poem. Right, so let's start with the words given over here. And I would means I wish, उम्मीद करता हूँ, ख्वाहिश करता हूँ, I dream. Crags means steep rocks, बहुत ही ज़्यादा ढलवान की तरफ जाने वाली चट्टानें. Heaven, a place of rest and safety, probably some place where you go and freshen up. Oh well for, it is all right for, सब कुछ ठीक है कुछ लोगों के लिए. Oh well यानी ठीक है. Utter, to speak, कुछ कहना. Vanished hand, probably Hallam's hand. Vanished hand means a hand that is vanished, that has gone, that is maybe dead. So probably he is referring to Hallam's hand, who was his very dear friend. Okay, now let me tell you the central idea of this poem, students. It's basically the central idea of the poem is the loss of a loved one, his friend, who was probably Hallam, and the emotions the poet is indirectly describes pertain to his loss, and the medium used to describe it, and the sea and all that it consists of is also a play on the feeling of loss and separation. So basically, students, on the next page you'll find that Tennyson had a very dear friend whose name was A.H. Hallam, and who died at a very young age. Here you can see everything is written over here, that after Hallam's death, Tennyson was very sad, and he wrote a long poem called In Memoriam, in which he showed how dearly he loved his friend and how much he missed him. Break 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 was written with this friend in mind. तो हुआ कुछ यूं ही था कि उसका एक फ्रेंड था, और वो बहुत ही जैसे क्लोज फ्रेंड्स होते हैं, बेस्टेस्ट फ्रेंड्स होते हैं, वो ये दोनों थे. और फिर अचानक उसकी डेथ हो गई थी, इसके फ्रेंड की, और उसकी डेथ के बाद वो उसको बहुत ज़्यादा मिस करता था, जिसके मेमोरियम में उसने ये पोम ब्रेक 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 लिखी, जिसमें उसने अपने एक्सप्रेशंस को, अपनी फीलिंग्स को एक्सप्रेस करने की कोशिश की, और अपना दर्द जो है वो सुनाने की कोशिश की है कि हाउ सॉरो एंड हाउ बिटर ही फील्स आफ्टर दिस लॉस. ठीक है, तो इस पोम के अंदर हम यही सारी चीज़ें डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. Thanks for watching the video till the end. Please hit the like button, share it with your friends. Take care. Allah Hafiz.